All right. Let's get back to it, guys. So we are going to go back to 2023 now for this session. So let's see where we are at price. Okay, so it's Thursday, 19th of January 2023. We are on the daily time frame. Let's mark out the low. Previous day low. Previous day high. And let's go down to the 4-hour. Also, we can see that price is respecting this one daily value gap, so we can have that in mind. Now let's see what price wants to do. So what can we see here? We can see that price have changed structure, and we also have this fair value gap over here. That's a 4-hour fair value gap. We have already taken previous day low, so maybe we can expect some retracement up to this 4-hour fair value gap for us to go further down. So let's go to the 1-hour. There's nothing much I can see here. We have this 1-hour fair value gap. I'm gonna mark that out, and let's go to the 15. What can we see? Nothing much. We do have a consolidation here. Maybe this is the manipulation to go higher. Let's see. Let's go to the 5. Let's mark out our recorders now. So 12, 1:30, 1:30 to 3 o'clock. And the high, Q1 high is here. Q2 high, Q1 low, Q2 low. Alright, okay. So let's go to the 1 minute and go forward to 3 o'clock. Okay. Price goes higher. Let's see. Maybe this is a continuation to go higher. We have inversed this now. 1 minute IFVG. So let's see what price wants to do. Alright. Let's go. See. So we are going higher. I could have taken a trade here, but because we have this change of character and we have this fair value gap and we have this huge momentum, but I didn't want to take it because I want to see some sort of sell liquidity to be taken out before we go higher. But if we would have taken this, we would have our surplus below there and targeting the Q2 high maybe. So that would have worked out, but let's go and see what price wants to do. Go lower, higher, higher. Maybe we already are getting that retracements. Oh, we do have this 1 hour. We have taken both Q1 and Q2 high now. And we did inverse this. This could be an entry. And I am willing to take this. For me, I would preferably wanted to see price take out this low before I was looking for an entry, but let's see. And something like this. We do have this 1 hour fair value gap over here and this equal highs, so that might be a reason of us taking a loss here, but we will annotate that equal highs. Let's see, because I do think price wants to go higher into this 1 hour fair value gap and then go lower. but let's see. Save. Let's copy this. This is Thursday. And Thursday 19 2023. We took Q2 high, Q1 high, we inversed the fair value gap. We didn't get a change of character. And we do have SMT, don't we? Yes. So this high to this. And this high all the way to this. Or this, or this. This. SMT. So let's see. I do think we want to go higher, but let's see. And we got stopped out. So let's copy that. Oh. Well, keep on doing this, but okay. Yeah, fix 1 to 2, Q1 low. No, Q2 low. Sorry guys. Oh, there you go. Okay. And this now was a loss. -1. Probably because we had a higher time frame, PD array above, and also relative equal highs. Okay. Now let's see what price wants to do. So price have tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap, but we haven't taken this high yet. But let's see if we can change structure here. We do have this 1 minute fair value gap, and this would be our change in state of delivery, and we do. So let's see if price wants to come back up here. Does it make sense? Yeah, we do have this huge wick, so it does make sense for price to come back up. But let's see. It would be something like this. I can be okay with that. It's still at 2 to 1. Oh, we can actually take this just to know that we are getting in. Place, save, and we should copy link, go back. Still Thursday, same day, 19 2023. We are in a higher time repeat array now. To Q2 high, Q1 high, SMT, IFSG, and change of character. Fix 1 to 2, which is also Q2 low. And let's change, paste it there. Let's go back, see, let's see. So 1 to 1. This would be our break-even point. Okay, guys. 1 and 1 to 2 would be down there. So let's see. So we do actually hit 1 to 2. I mean 1 to 1. Let's see if price wants to hit 1 to 2. I'm gonna take it unfixed. 1 to 2. And we get stopped out at 1 to 2. So that was a win, guys. Nice. So the first trade, I should have been waiting, more patient. But that's good to see that our bias and our setup did work out. Uh, there we go. Let's take a link of that, paste it in here. There you go, and this was a win. 2RR, full TP. Okay, let's see if we hit standard deviation. We did. Okay. Now let's see. We can go to the next silver bullet session. So if we would have held, we would have been in good profit now. We could have taken 1 to 3. We could just follow with our stop loss, like this low, auto correcting this, correction, retracement. We do have this low, then this low, then this low, then maybe this low, maybe this low, and then eventually been stopped out here. And that would be 1 to 4. So that's good. But now let's focus on. We do have this equal highs now. Still, it didn't get taken out. And let's go restart this. So we are very bearish, so I'm looking to take a sell. But we can also take a buy if we see the right setup. So let's see. There we go. Okay, Q1 high. Oops. Q2 high down here. Q1 low. Q2 low. And is there something I need to watch out from? 1 hour. We are kind of reacting off this 1 hour fair value gap. So let's see if we can get a continuation here. Let's wait for 9:30. 9:30, we took out Q1 and Q2 high. Let's see if price wants to give us a reversal, or this might be a market maker buy mode. But let's see. Because we did make this consolidation and we had this manipulation, then we shift the structure and now we're in higher. So we might get a continuation here. Let's see if price wants to give us that. We do have this 5-minute fair value gap, but we need to remember overall we are bearish. But let's see. I'm not gonna be too biased of one side of the market. Okay, so we did inverse this, but we see this rejection here. I don't like that, and also we do need to see this change of character down before we are more confident. Like what happened in the previous trade, we did take a loss when it took this trade, when it was very bullish and hadn't changed the character or given us a sign that it want to go lower. So let's see. And that saved us because our stop loss would be above this high. So now let's see. So this would now be our change in state of delivery, and we do get that. So we can take that. This was too large of a stop loss. Let's see if price wants to come back to this action point over here, and if it's okay with our stop loss management. So does it make sense? 181. It does make sense. To 2. So actually let's see. GG. I do think we want to come back higher as well. So let's see, guys. Let's place and place order. Nope, wrong one. Place order and limit. There you go. Save. Let's see if we get tapped in or we go right to take profit. So it didn't tap us in yet, and it didn't take the low, which we expected. But do we see a reason for price to come higher now? Yes, it can manipulate this high. Price can manipulate this high and then go lower. So let's see. And we do get that, but let's see if we are getting tapped in. Nope. And because it's so sideways, I wouldn't win in this. So what we can see here, we did get that manipulation. We got that accumulation and the fake out and the manipulation, and then went lower. And I'm just unlucky to not get into this trade, because I did think that price wanted to go up to this breaker block, but if I would have put my entry at this flexion point, we would have been tapped in. And so the trade should have looked something like this instead, and we would still be getting that 1 to 2. So that's unfortunate. Let's see if we would have been tagged in, and yeah. So after this tag in and after 1 to 1, this would have been the break even as well. So we'll probably not have got any profits of this. That's unfortunate, but we move on. Let's go to the next silver bullet and the next. Now remove drawings. Let's go back to the 1 daily. So let's see. This is our high, previous day high, previous day low. Okay, and let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see what price shows us. So we do see a lot of rejections at this area with all those wicks. Price is pushing higher and are kind of ranging between this high and this low. 4 hour range high, 4 hour range low. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see. So 1 hour is respecting this 1 hour fair value gap, so I do see price going higher. Let's go to the 15. I would like to see some sort of sell side liquidity being taken out. We have all this low resistance liquidity over here. LRL, low resistance liquidity. So need to keep that in mind. 5 minute, nothing special. So what I'm thinking is we do have this accumulation, this fake out, this manipulation, and then to go higher. But let's see what price wants to do. Let's mark out our quarters as well. This is our 12 o'clock, 1:30, and 3. This is our Q1 high, Q1 low. Let's just make that a little bit shorter. Okay. This is our Q2 low, and this is our currently Q2 high. Okay, so let's see. So no. Okay. Let's go to 3 o'clock and see what price wants to do. 3 o'clock. So this is our high. Okay, what I'm seeing now is that we have this change in state of delivery, or change of character, as I call it. Change of character down. We do have this accumulation, manipulation, and then go lower. So let's see if price wants to make a fair value gap for us. And now we have this zone that price might want to respect. So let's take an entry from here, and let's see if we are getting tapped in, and that if price wants to go lower. There. We might also go higher and take the data range for our low, but let's see. Breaker block. We also inverse this fair value gaps in here. So let's see. Let's copy link and place order, limit, save, backtest, or let's see if we are getting tapped in. We are. So let's copy that. And it's a Friday 20th. Friday 20th, 2023. So we took Q1 high. We did get a breaker block, change of character, and fixed 1 to 2, or what is this? Q2 low. Q2 low. Yeah. And let's paste this. Now, okay, so what we have to be careful of is this 15-minute fair value gap. As you can see, we are respecting, but let's see what price wants to do. And 1 to 1 is our break-even point. We got that 1 to 1. One break even. So let's put that at break even. Let's see if it wants to hit 1 to 2. Okay. I'm gonna put it at a fixed 1 to 2. CRR. Okay, so we do get that. Jesus Christ, okay. Save. So we have all this low resistance liquidity, and we have that data low. So let's see. First 3.5, and that's getting taken out. So we take 50%. Save. Now let's take the rest at this data 4-hour low. And that's it. Let's just do it like this. Okay. So we went lower but didn't take it out. We went as low as this, 4.5. So this was our 3.5. 3.5 RR. Let's take a copy of that, copy link, and link. That was a win. That's our first win on Friday, guys. Let's go, let's go. To our full, nope, 75% off. 50% off at 1 to 2, or nope, 3.5 RR, and the rest at break even. Okay, so let's delete this now. So we are still in this 4-hour range, but we are most likely we are seeing the model that I told you guys. We got that accumulation, that fake out, that manipulation, and then we are going higher. So I'm trying to take a buy here to take out this 4-hour range high, and eventually maybe this previous day high. But let's see. We might as well take out the previous day low as well, but we do have this relatively equal highs here. So let's see what price wants to do. Let's go to the 5-minute and let's mark out our quarters. 3 to 9, 9 to 9:30. Right, this is our Q1 low and Q1 high, Q2 high, Q2 low. Okay, so Q2 low has been taken out. So let's see what price wants to do at the market open. We go higher and boom, we are rejecting. That's great. Let's see if price wants to take out. I want to see these lows be taken out. Relative equal lows. And if we do have a 5-minute or something higher, that might be the array, we might expect price to come back down to that. So let's see. We go lower, we tap into it, and we did also take Q2 low again. Let's see. Price R took out Q1 as well and are reacting off this now, and 50% as well, so that's good. So on the 50-second we could have seen, if we break this then we could have taken a trade, but let's see on the 1. Let's stick to the 1. So go down, up, down, up, down. This would be our change of structure. Let's see. Okay, we did change. So 50-minute is rejecting hard. Let's see if price can give us our entry at this 1-minute fair value gap. And our stop should be down below our target, the previous high. So let's see. 1-minute fair value gap. Okay. And that was range high. Okay, let's see. Place 50%. Limit, yes. Let's see if we are getting tapped in or we are just going higher. And we haven't been tapped in yet. But I do still think we want to go higher. Let's see. So, oh, sorry, excuse me. We could have taken a sell here as well, but let's look for some. We didn't close above, but the 4-hour did close bullish. 1 hour is very bullish, or is looking bullish. We haven't closed above this wick. This might be a turtle soup to go lower. And if this is a turtle soup to go lower, this would be our setup. So since I see both ways or both opportunities, I shouldn't be trading this. But we do have a setup like this and this to go lower and take out the previous day. Hello. Let's see. So since the daily is bearish, I want to take this bearish one. So let's see if we do get that. So we also took that data range high. Now this would be our change in state of delivery. So let's see if we can get our entry. We do get our entry and we do go higher. And we do go for the daily high. So either way, it's a mistrade. Or we could have taken this when it closed above, just to be sure that we went in the trade. We could have taken our trade like this, and this, 1 to 2. But let's take a screenshot of this. G. There, copy link. Okay, so this is still Friday. January 20th, 2023. We are not in a higher time for repeat array. We did take it against equal highs, and that's not pretty good for us. So let's see. We did get that IFG. We took it Q2 high, and we don't have anything more than that. Did we have any SMT? No SMT as well. Okay. So 1 to 2. So we can see that the equal highs for previous day high did get taken out. And this is our structure. So if price breaks below, and it does, this could be now our setup. This to go lower, but I wanted to, like, it took out previous day high, so doesn't make sense. We did also take this. Do we have an SMT? We actually do have an SMT. So let's see. Can take this as well. This order, market, save. Let's copy. Let's annotate that. 2023. We did get a change of character, IFG. We took out previous day high, Q2 high, SMT, fix 1 to 2. Yeah. And that's about it. And we take a loss. Let's copy this first. So we were bullish as we thought, and I went against it, and I stayed too biased. My bias from AM session was right. We were bullish, and I should have avoided this trade. Okay. Now let's move on. Probably no trade. We're going to go higher, I think. Yeah. Okay. So then we just remove, go to next. Go to next. Okay. Go to next. There we go. Reset and delete. Okay, so what does the daily time frame tell me? It tells me that it wants to go higher. It's a new week as well. We do have this inversion now. Daily inverse version. Let's look how the week looks. So this is the previous week high. Week high. Let's go down to the 4 hour. 4 hour. We are currently in this order block, or what you want to call it. But we do have this 4 hour gap that price might want to rebalance, and also this huge gap as well. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour has tapped into this 1 hour gap now, took out liquidity. Now price might want to go lower because we do have all this low resistance liquidity over here. But let's go to the 15. 15, it doesn't show me anything special. To the 5, and let's mark out our quarters. So 12 o'clock to 1:30, 1:30 to 3, and we do have our high here, our Q2 low, our Q1 low, and our Q1 high. So let's see what price wants to do at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock opens, we go higher. So let's see what price wants to do. We do respect this. We go higher. We took out Q2 high now. And let's see if price shows us a rejection or it wants to go higher. So it rejects. We have all these equal highs SMT, so I do think price wants to go higher one more time. And let's see if we can get a continuation trade, maybe from this. From here. We do have this. And we also have lines. So let's see if we can take a continuation trade from here. Our stop loss should be at this low, or the protected low underneath here. Let's just see what price does. So we are tapping into it, and we 50-minute looks somewhat great. Let's see. Okay, so we did change in the state of delivery now. So that means the price might want to go lower, but we do not have any. Let's see if price wants to come back up here before taking out this low, but it didn't, and it just goes lower. So let's see what price wants to do. It comes higher, higher. So we might get a buy setup here. We took out all these lows and 15-minute rejected. We do have a change in state of delivery up here if we do close above, but we also did close above this inversion FVG. So a trade could look something like this. Stops below the low and take profit at the highs. And let's place that and mark it save. Let's copy image. Let's see what price wants to do. This is a Monday. Monday 21, 2023, right? No, 2023. There we go. So what do we see? Price took out the highs and the low. So Q1 low, Q2 low. Do we have SMT? We don't have an SMT. And we have a IFG. And that's about it. Fix 1 to 2. Link. Okay, no link. Let's try to copy it again. There we go. Let's see. So price wants maybe to tap into this. It does, and it took us out. Let's see. So price goes lower. And then price is just going sideways. So nothing we could have done there would have been a lost trade. Maybe there's this bad setup because we did take both quarters high and low. So that's a loss. Let's go to the next bullet session. Let's see. So we haven't tapped into this 4-hour fair value gap yet. Does it make sense that we go back to the 4-hour? It does. Price is just moving sideways. So we do have to watch for what the price wants to do. And let's go to the 5, mark out our zones. There, 730, 730 to 9. And this is our high. This is our low, our high, and our low. 930 is here. Let's see what one price wants to do at 930 open. So price goes higher. We are respecting this 15-minute fair value gap. But price is just ranging, so need to see something. So price come back up. Maybe this is the manipulation. or whatnot. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, price is very volatile. Moving higher. We might want to take out that previous week high. Let's see. It does. So we are very bullish right now. And I don't think we are going to get our setup. Let's watch out. And 10 a.m. open, 4 hour. Okay. So we did take our 4 hour previous candle. Previous high. So this might be a CRT model. Let's see. Okay. Let's take this trade. And the 50%, let's go to the 1 hour. 1, 4. So this is our last, and this is our 50%. So it aligns perfectly with our setup. And this 1 minute IFRG. We closed above or below, sorry. If we do see this change of character down, it would be great. But let's take this and save and copy. And this is still Monday, 23rd, 23. We are, or we took previous week high. We inversed. Did we get a S&T? We actually didn't. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Let's see if we are in a higher time for beta ray. We are in this 1 hour fair value gap, so we can mark that out. High time for beta ray, Q2 high. It hasn't taken Q2 low, neither Q1 low. So let's see. Fixed 1 to 2. Let's see. And I don't like that it's stalling so much. Not a big gamble as well, so this is probably a loss. Yep. Opening. That's a loss. I do think we have 4 losses in a row now. So let's see what price wants to do. It just goes higher and higher, and there would not been any trade for me to take here. Maybe this continuation, but it's discussable because we do liquidate. We did change this. We do have the fair value gap, but I don't think I would have taken this trade. And that was this video, guys. Let's see how we went, or how the account went. So we started off by 51,203. I do think we are a little bit in drawdown for this video. So let's see. We do actually, we are minus 4. We do, we're down $99, guys. 99. Yes, 999. And day 6. So after 4 losses, we are just down. After 4 losses and some wins, we are only down $99, and that's pretty good actually for me. We can take 4 losses in a row, we can take 5 losses in a row, and we can still be profitable, guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and be sure to check out all my other videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.